Okay, where I'm at with the VL, I haven't posted a video for a little while, but I've had a few dramas. In an effort to get all the oil canning out of the roof, I've managed to really wreck my roof. I've removed the sunroof. I've been trying to do some heat shrinks, and it's definitely a lot harder than what people make it look. So I bought another VL. This one's pretty much rust free, although it has had a hit in the front end, so I'm tempted to have a go at removing the roof skin and refit it to this one. I thought that might be something someone's interested in, seeing how it's done. I haven't done it before. I'm going to give it a crack. There's a whole heap of spot welds that run across there. I believe there'll be spot welds running inside that drip rail. And then around the front there's more spot welds along there. It'll be brazed through the corners. You'd see where the joint is right there, so it'll be brazing through there, front and back. This roof was already pretty bad. It looked like someone jumped all over it when I got it. When I put the sunroof in, it did take a lot of the issues out of it, but I still couldn't quite get it right. So I'm not a tradesman in this type of work by any means. So anyway, let us know what you think. I'm going to start doing it fairly soon, but I'll post this one up so you know where I'm at with it. And yeah, I've been scratching my head for a bit about it. And now the benefit of that, I've got some really good doors on it. I had these doors sandblasted, and it didn't turn out real good. As you can see, the ripples. I would have been better off taking the skins off and just having the frames blasted, and then just do the skins by hand. The boot lid was the same. You can see all the framework now under the boot lid. I did remove a door skin as a test. This one here, I've taken the skin off, and that's it here. So I think that's what I might do. I've done the same with the bonnet. I removed the skin off this bonnet. So I'm going to steer away from having any panels blasted in the future. I'll get that frame blasted, but I'll strip the actual skin itself by hand. So I've had a bit of a setback and had to sit back a bit and try and work out what I was going to do, but I think that's the way I'll go. I'll show you this VL. It's a shame. It's it really is in. Well, there's no rust in the taillight section at all. The boot lid's perfect. Pretty sure it's had a quarter put on it at some point in its life, because this seam sealer here is different to this side over here. The boot floor hasn't got a speck of rust in it. I haven't seen one of them for a while. And the doors are, minus the surface rust, they're really straight. So yeah, anyway, I'll leave it there, and I'll start the video when I start removing the roof skin.